Imagine a world where HR decisions are no longer based on gut feelings. Instead, every decision is backed by solid data, providing a clear and objective basis for action. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that is unfolding right now. The traditional methods of hiring, training, and managing employees are being transformed by the power of data analytics. Imagine decisions based on facts. Data-driven insights are replacing intuition and guesswork, leading to more accurate and effective HR strategies. This shift is enabling HR professionals to predict trends, identify potential issues before they arise, and make informed decisions that drive organizational success. This is the power of data in HR. By leveraging data, HR teams can gain a deeper understanding of their workforce, uncovering patterns and trends that were previously hidden. This allows for more targeted and effective interventions, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and employee engagement. Strategic Human Resource Management, or HRM, is changing the game. It's about aligning HR practices with the overall strategic goals of the organization, ensuring that every HR initiative supports the company's mission and objectives. Data plays a crucial role in this process, providing the insights needed to make strategic decisions. It uses data to make better decisions. By analyzing data from various sources, HR professionals can identify the most effective strategies for attracting, retaining, and developing talent. This data-driven approach leads to better outcomes for both employees and the organization as a whole. This new approach is called people analytics. People analytics involves the use of data and statistical methods to understand and improve how people are managed within organizations. It's about using data to gain insights into employee behavior, performance, and engagement, and using those insights to make better HR decisions. It helps us understand our people better. By analyzing data on employee performance, engagement, and satisfaction, HR professionals can identify areas for improvement and develop targeted interventions to address those issues. This leads to a more engaged and productive workforce. Strategic HRM and people analytics are key to success. They provide the tools and insights needed to make informed decisions that drive organizational performance. By aligning HR practices with strategic goals and using data to inform those practices, organizations can achieve better outcomes and gain a competitive advantage. They help companies find the best talent, they improve employee engagement, they boost performance. By using data to inform HR decisions, organizations can attract and retain top talent, create a more engaged and productive workforce, and ultimately achieve better business results. This essay will explore the exciting world of data-driven HR. We'll delve into the various ways that data is being used to transform HR practices, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and employee engagement. We'll also look at the benefits of this data-driven approach and how it can help organizations achieve their strategic goals. We'll learn how to use it to our advantage. By understanding the power of data and how to leverage it effectively, HR professionals can make better decisions, drive organizational performance, and create a more engaged and productive workforce. The data revolution in HR is here, and it's changing the game for the better. HR is changing. The role of human resources is evolving from a traditional administrative function to a strategic partner in business. This transformation is driven by the need for organizations to be more agile, innovative, and competitive in a rapidly changing world. It's no longer just about paperwork and policies. Gone are the days when HR was seen merely as the department that handled hiring, firing, and compliance. Today, HR is at the forefront of driving organizational change and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Strategic HRM is about aligning HR practices with business goals. This means understanding the company's vision and mission and ensuring that every HR initiative supports these objectives. It's about being proactive rather than reactive, anticipating the needs of the business and its people. It's about creating a workplace where people thrive. When employees feel valued and engaged, they are more productive and committed to the organization's success. This positive work environment leads to higher retention rates and attracts top talent. This leads to better business outcomes. Companies that invest in strategic HRM see improvements in their bottom line as well as in employee satisfaction and overall organizational performance. It's a win-win situation for both the business and its workforce. Strategic HRM asks, why? Why do we do what we do? It challenges the status quo and encourages continuous learning and development. By asking the right questions, HR can identify areas for improvement and drive meaningful change. It looks at the big picture. Strategic HRM is not just about solving immediate problems, but about planning for the future. It involves setting long-term goals and developing strategies to achieve them, ensuring the organization is well-positioned for success in the years to come. It focuses on the long term. This forward-thinking approach helps organizations stay ahead of industry trends and adapt to changes in the market. By prioritizing long-term success over short-term gains, companies can build a sustainable competitive advantage. This approach helps companies adapt to change. In today's fast-paced business environment, the ability to quickly respond to new challenges and opportunities is crucial. Strategic HRM equips organizations with the tools and mindset needed to navigate these changes effectively. It helps them stay ahead of the competition. By leveraging data and analytics, HR can provide valuable insights that drive strategic decision-making. This enables companies to anticipate market shifts and stay one step ahead of their competitors. It's time to rethink traditional HR practices. The old ways of doing things are no longer sufficient in today's dynamic business landscape. Organizations must embrace new strategies and technologies to remain relevant and competitive. We need to embrace a more strategic approach. By doing so, we can create a more agile, innovative, and resilient organization that is well-equipped to thrive in the future. The strategic shift in HR is not just a trend, but a necessity for long-term success. People analytics is the use of data to understand people. It helps us answer important questions about our workforce. Who are our best performers? What drives employee turnover? How can we improve employee engagement? With people analytics, we can make informed decisions. We can identify areas for improvement. We can measure the effectiveness of HR initiatives. It's like having a crystal ball for your workforce. Netflix is a great example of strategic HR in action. They have a unique culture that attracts top talent. They value freedom and responsibility. Their employees are empowered to do their best work. Netflix understands that their people are their greatest asset. They invest in their employees' growth and development. This culture of trust and innovation has made Netflix a leader in its industry. Section 5. Google's Project Oxygen Data-Driven Leadership. Google is known for its data-driven approach. This philosophy permeates every aspect of their operations, from product development to human resources. They believe that data can provide insights that lead to better decision-making and improved outcomes. In 2008, they launched Project Oxygen. This initiative was designed to understand what makes a great manager at Google. The project was not just about collecting data, but about transforming that data into actionable insights. The goal was to identify the qualities of great managers. Google wanted to know what behaviors and skills were most effective in leading teams and driving performance. They analyzed data from performance reviews, employee surveys, and other sources. The results were surprising. Contrary to popular belief, technical expertise was not the most important factor in a manager's success. Technical expertise was not the most important factor. Instead, the data revealed that the best managers were those who possessed strong interpersonal skills. The best managers were good coaches. They empowered their teams. They provided clear feedback, supported career development, and created an inclusive environment where everyone felt valued. They created a positive work environment. This was crucial for fostering innovation and maintaining high levels of employee satisfaction and retention. Google used this data to develop training programs for managers. These programs were designed to enhance the skills that the data had shown to be most important. This improved leadership effectiveness throughout the company. By focusing on data-driven insights, Google was able to cultivate a culture of continuous improvement and excellence in management. Section 6. Bridging the Gap Strategy meets Analytics. Strategic HRM and people analytics are powerful tools, but they are even more effective when used together. Strategy provides the direction. Analytics provides the insights to get there. Start by defining your HR strategy. What are your goals? Then use people analytics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. This iterative process ensures that your HR practices are aligned with your business objectives. Section 7. Overcoming challenges, embracing the data-driven future. The transition to data-driven HR can be challenging. Companies may face resistance to change. They may lack the necessary skills and resources. Data privacy and ethical considerations are also important. Start small and focus on quick wins. Invest in training and development for your HR team. collaborate with other departments to leverage data insights, address data privacy concerns transparently and ethically. Section 8. Conclusion. Charting a data-driven course for HR. The future of HR is data-driven. Strategic HRM and people analytics are essential for success in today's business world. By embracing these approaches, companies can create a workplace where people thrive and businesses prosper. Download our free resources to start your data-driven HR journey today. The power to unlock human potential is at your fingertips. Let's build a better future of work together.